Hello everyone, this is Nadia from LifterLMS. Today I will show you how you can create an LMS website with the Astra theme. You can use any well-coded theme with LifterLMS to create an LMS website, but in this video I will show you how you can use the Astra theme with LifterLMS. For buying Astra theme, you have to go lifterlms.com/product then /Astra. Now click on enter. So here we can see the Astra theme, and now we have to click on this buy now option. It will redirect us on Astra's website. So here is Astra's website. So basically Astra is a product of Brainstorm Force, and it is a very popular WordPress theme that we can use for e-commerce website, LMS website, blog website, or we can create any kind of website with this Astra theme. And the best part is that it's compatible with other WordPress products. So in this video I will use the free Astra theme, but if you want more functionality you can go for their pro version. So if we click on this pricing, here we can see that Astra has 3 bundles: Astra Pro, Essential Bundle, Growth Bundle, and they have a lots of amazing features. Also they have a lifetime option. So if you want to buy this, just click on this buy now option. And as we will use the free Astra theme in this video, so let's go back to our dashboard. Now we will install the free Astra theme on our dashboard. For that, visit Appearance, then Themes. Now we will click on this Add New option, and in the search box we have to type Astra. Here we can see the Astra theme. Now we have to click on this install now. Now click on activate. So Astra has successfully installed in our website now. Now is the time to install the LifterLMS. So now I will install our LifterLMS core plugin. For that we have to visit plugins, then add new. So in this search box, we will type for LifterLMS. Here we can see our LifterLMS core plugin. Now click on install now. Now click on activate. So here we can see our LifterLMS setup wizard. But now I will click on this skip setup because I will show you how to create a page or everything. So I'm clicking on skip setup. So LifterLMS core plugin successfully installed our website. Now in this video I will use our LifterLMS Infinity Bundle for this tutorial. So if you visit lifterlms.com and pricing, here you can see that we have 3 bundles. So for this tutorial I already purchased this Infinity Bundle. So now I will add my license key on my dashboard. So let's go back to our dashboard. Here we can see we have a LifterLMS option, and we can see that we have an option add-ins. We will click on this. Here we have our my license keys option. Here we will add our license key, and now click on add new. So now LifterLMS Infinity Bundle is successfully installed on our website. We can see all the features of LifterLMS Infinity Bundle here. So now our everything is installed on our website. So now first step is we have to create our pages. For that we have to visit pages, then add new. I need a home page, that's why I'm typing home, then publish. So our home page is ready now. If I go back to my dashboard, Here we can see that we have all pages option. Here we can see all of our pages. So this home page is I have created now, and these are our by default LifterLMS pages. So I need this course page, course catalog page, dashboard, membership catalog, purchase, but I don't want this sample page, so I'm clicking on trash. Also, I don't want this privacy policy, so I'm clicking on trash. So here is our all of pages. Now we have to create our menu. For that, visit appearance, then menus. So I already have created a menu. That name is main menu. Now I will add my pages on this menu. So I'm selecting home, course catalog, membership catalog, dashboard, purchase. Now I'll click on add to menu. So I will select the display location. I want primary menu, and now click on save menu. One thing also, you can rearrange this. I'm rearranging as I want course catalog, then I want my membership catalog. Now I will click on save menu. Now if I visit my website, here we can see our page, our menus. You can rename this, so I will show you that how you can rename this course catalog or membership catalog pages. So visit pages, all pages. Here is our course catalog page. Click on edit. So I'm renaming these as courses. Click on update. If I go back to my dashboard, I will rename this membership catalog page. Memberships. Update. Now if we go back to our website and refresh it, we can see that home, courses, memberships, dashboard, and purchase. So I don't have anything this website right now. If I click on courses, we can see we don't have any course and other things in this website right now. Now it's time for create a course. So if I visit LifterLMS and dashboard, here we can see under LifterLMS we have option courses. So now I will click on add course. Here we can add our course title. So I'm typing technology. Here we can add our course short description. So I'm pasting some content. Here we can add our course information. Course information basically, here we can see we have a course option. We can create a categories and difficulties levels. This will actually our course information. So if I click on add new category and I'm selecting, and if I click on add new course category, so here you can see our technique, and we can add our difficulties level. So I am typing level 1 and click on enter. So we can add our course instructor. Here we have an access plan option. So for a course, we have to create a new access plan option. Now click on add new. Here we can see we have a lots of information. We have to add our plan title. So I'm typing lifetime access. We can add our plan SKU. We can add our enroll text option. So I'm typing enroll. We can select enroll, and also we can select our course visibility. So I'm selecting visible. I want that my students will able to see this course, and if your course is free, you can select this one. So first I will show you the free course. Here we can select our access expiration option. I'm selecting lifetime access, plan availability anyone. We can add our plan description here. So now click on save. Now it's time for create a course. So if I visit LifterLMS and dashboard, here we can see under LifterLMS we have option courses. So now I will click on add course. Here we can add our course title, so I'm typing technology. Here we can add our course short description, so I'm pasting some content. Here we can add our course information. Course information basically, here we can see we have a course option. We can create a categories and difficulties levels. This will actually our course information. So if I click on add new category and I'm selecting, and if I click on add new course category, so here you can see our technique, and we can add our difficulties level. So I am typing level 1 and click on enter. We can add our course instructor. Here we have an access plan option. So for a course, we have to create a new access plan option. Now click on add new. Here we can see we have a lots of information. We have to add our plan title. So I'm typing lifetime access. We can add our plan SKU. We can add our enroll text option. So I'm typing enroll. We can select enroll, and also we can select our course visibility. So I'm selecting visible. I want that my students will able to see this course, and if your course is free, you can select this one. So first I will show you the free course. Here we can select our access expiration option. I'm selecting lifetime access. Plan availability anyone. We can add our plan description here. So now click on save. We can also add a featured image on our course. So just click on this featured image option. Here we can add a featured image. So if I click on update and we revisit our website and then courses. So here is our courses. So here is our featured image, our course title, author, difficulty level. If I click on this course, I can see that I have a short description, our course information, instructor. Here is our enroll button, our lifetime access plan. So I don't have any lesson, quiz or anything in this course yet. So if we want to add courses and lesson, we have to go back to our previous tab. Here you can see we have a course builder option, launch course builder. Just click on this. Now we have to add a section. Sections basically working like a chapter. So I'm typing introduction. So under this introduction, I will add a lesson. You also can rename this lesson name. So I'm typing lesson 1. So now I will add content on this lesson. So here we can see that we can add a YouTube video or audio in this lesson. So I will add a YouTube video on this lesson. So in this course, I will add a YouTube video lesson here. So I'm pasting my YouTube video. Here, if your lesson is free, you can enable this by as my course is free, so I don't want to do this. Here we can add a drift method option. We have two options that on a specific date. That means when you want to show this lesson to your students, you can add the date. Also, we have option of days after course enrollment. That means when your students will enroll in this course, after maybe 2 days or 3 days, they will see this lesson. So I'm selecting none. Now enable this published option. Click on save changes. Now if we revisit our course, we can see that we have our section and our lesson. So if I click on this lesson, here is our YouTube video I have added, and also I have a more complete button, but it's not look good. So now I will edit the lesson layout or the course layout with the Astra theme. In this lesson, we can see that we have a full width lesson, but I don't want it. I want to add a course syllabus or a course progress bar in my lesson. Also, if we revisit our course, Here we can see that course width are not good. So I also want to add a course syllabus on my course and a lesson. So for that we have to add a widget. Visit your dashboard. Here we have appearance, then widgets. You can see that we have course sidebar and lesson sidebar. So I want to add a course syllabus on my course sidebar. So here we have our course syllabus widgets. We can add a title here. Also in the lesson sidebar, I want to add a course progress bar. Here we have our course progress bar. In progress. Also I want to add course syllabus also. So here is our course syllabus. Now click on update. Now if we revisit our course and lesson, we can see that our widget is still not here because we need some customization option. So for that, you have to click on customize. Here we can see that we have a LifterLMS option. These options because of Astra theme. So I will click on this option. Here we have a container layout, global sidebar layout. Here is our course and lesson sidebar layout. So I will select this right sidebar. You can select left sidebar or no sidebar. So see, now we have our course syllabus here. So I'm just clicking on publish. Now if we revisit our lesson, so here is our course syllabus. So now if I view as a student, I can see my progress bar here and also my syllabus here. So now also if we revisit our course and refresh it, here is our course syllabus. Now I will show you that how you can add quiz assignments on your course. So now we have to visit our dashboard, then courses. I want to add quiz on this course, so click on builder. So here we have section 3. So under this section 3, I will add a new lesson. So I will add a quiz in this lesson. So I'm typing quiz lesson. Now click on this edit settings. Here we have option quiz. Click on this. We have two options, that create new quiz or add existing quiz. I don't have any quiz yet, so I will click on this create new quiz option. So here we can add our quiz description, but I'm leaving this blank. We can increase our passing percentage. Here we have time limits. If we enable this, that means we can select a time, that how many times my students will attempt my quiz. So I'm selecting 4. You can add time limit also. I'm selecting 2 or 1, 2. You can enable show correct answer options, randomized question order options. Now I will click on add questions. So here is our quiz options. I have purchased our Infinity bundle. So we have this LifterLMS advanced quiz option. We have to just install it. Here we have our advanced quiz option. We have to click on install. Now click on activate, apply. So now our advanced quiz options is activated. Now if we revisit our course builder and refresh it, and we click on this add question option, here we can see that it's now visible. So first I will show you the version of our question, that is multiple choice. So here you can add a question. So first I will add a question, 2 plus 2 equal to what? So I'm selecting here a correct answer and also I'm adding a wrong answer. So 4 is my correct answer, that's why it's green. Now don't forget to enable this publish option, and now save changes. Now I will show you another question, that is our advanced question. I will add this fill in the blank. We have a lots of options, reorder pictures, file, upload, long answer, but I will use this fill in the blank now. So now here we will add our question. So I'm typing some random question. For the blank, you have to use 3 or more underscore. Here we have option that we can enable this correct answer option. Also here we can add our correct answer. So I'm typing Nadia. Nadia is my correct answer. Also we have option that answers are not case sensitive. We can enable this. We can add our points here. Now I'm clicking save and change. Now if we revisit our course, so here is our quiz lesson. If I click on this, we have an option take quiz. We can hear any YouTube video or image or something like that or content, but I didn't add anything here. So I'm clicking on take quiz, start quiz. So 2 + 2, 4, then next question. So here we can add our answer. So I'm typing Nadia, then complete quiz. See, I have got lots of notification that I have passed a quiz, completed a section, completed a lesson. Also here we can see our 100% pass. We can see our questions. So that's all for the quiz. You can try any other questions. Now I'll show you about our assignment. So if we visit our builder again, and here we have our assignment option. Also you can see the assignments. So we have two options, that create new assignments or add existing assignment. So if I click on this create new assignments, it's showing me that I need the LifterLMS assignment add-ons. So as I have the Infinity bundle, I have this add-ons. I have to just install it. So for that, visit LifterLMS, then add-ons. So here we have our LifterLMS assignments. Now click on install, apply. Now click on activate, then apply. Now if we revisit our builder, course builder, and refresh it, if we click on assignment and create new assignment, see, now we can access this. So here we can add a video and audio. Also we can select our assignment type, maybe essay, maybe upload or task list. So I'm selecting upload, that a student can upload a file or something like that. We can add our passing percentage. So I'm increasing it 68. Assignment weights, we can add our assignment points. So I'm selecting 5. Also we can restrict file types if we enable this. So if we enable this restrict file types, we can select some file types. So I'm selecting image and PNG. You can add multiple files here. Now click on save changes. Now if we revisit our lesson, here we can see that we have now two options, start assignments and take quiz, because I have added these two on this quiz lesson. You can add a multiple lesson, then you can add assignments and quiz. So now I will show you that we have a prerequisite option in LifterLMS. Now I'll show you that how you can add a prerequisite course. Enabling our prerequisite, we have to visit courses, then courses. Here I have already created two new courses. So I want that this test course 1 students will not be able to access this course before completing the previous test course. So I will add a prerequisite on this test course 1. So click on edit. So here we can see that we have a course options, and here we can see that we have a restrictions tab. We have to click on this. Well, our prerequisite option. and here we have to select our prerequisite course. So I want to select my test course. Now click on update. Now if I visit my course, here is my test course 1. If I click on this, see, now we have a notification that before starting this course, you must complete the required prerequisite course test course. So if I view as a student, we also can see the same notification. And if we click on this, if we hover on this lesson 1, we can see that the lesson 1 cannot be accessed until the required prerequisite course. So that's all for about the prerequisite course. Now I'll show you that how you can add membership on your LMS site. For that, visit your dashboard. Here we can see that we have a memberships option. Now click on add membership. So now I will add our membership title. It's very similar to our course. Here we can add our membership description. Here we have our membership instructor. Now I will create our new access plan. For that, click on add new. So here we can add our plan title. So I'm typing monthly. Enroll, we can add an enroll text. So I'm typing by. Here we can select our visibility and we can add our price. If your course membership is free, you can enable this, but my membership is not free. That's why I'm adding price. So I'm typing 100. So we can add a payment method. Maybe it's a one-time payment or every second or every third. I'm selecting every. We can select year, month, week or day. So I'm selecting month. We can select 4 months for all time or something like that. So I'm selecting for all time. Here we have our access expiration. So we have lifetime access, expires after, expires on. So basically if we select expires after, we can select years. That means our membership will expires after 2 years. Or if we select expires on, that means we can select a date. If I select 31st December, that means my membership will expires on 31st December. But I'm selecting lifetime access. Here we can select our trial offer. I don't have any trial. We can select the sale price. My membership is not on sale. That's why I'm selecting this. We can add here plan description. So click on save. We add another access plan. So I'm clicking on add new. So this one will be yearly. You can type enroll text. It will be 200 every year for all time. Okay, save. You can see that we also have auto enrollment tab. That means we can select a course. So I'm selecting technology course. That means when someone will buy my membership, they will get auto enrolled my technology course. Now we have a student management box here. We already have a tutorial that how you can manually enroll user on your membership and courses. So don't forget to check that out. Now I'm adding a featured image. Also, we can add categories and tags. So I'm clicking on publish. So now if we visit our website and memberships, here we can see our memberships. If we click on this, see, but we don't have the access plan here because we didn't set up our payment method yet. So if I will visit dashboard, then under LifterLMS we have settings, then here we have checkout. See, here we have our payment gateway. So I already have the manual one. This one is by default LifterLMS payment gateways, but it's not enabled yet. For that, we have to click on this for enabling our payment method. Here we can check this enable manual option. Now click on save changes. You can add lots of payment gateways we have on our Infinity bundle. That you can add Stripe, PayPal, or WooCommerce. But I'm leaving this as it is. So now if I go to our membership and refresh it, see, now we have the monthly plan or the yearly plan also. Here you can buy. Now I'll show you that how you can create an engagement with LifterLMS. So LifterLMS has a lots of engagement options. We can send achievement badge, we can award a certificate, or you can send an email to your students maybe when they completed a lesson or course, or they enrolled in your course, or we have a lots of options. So first I'll show you that how you can send an achievement badge to your students. For that, click on achievements, click on add achievement templates. Here we can add a title, so I'm typing success. Also here we can type our achievement title. Here we can add a short description. I'm leaving this blank. We can add an image here. This is our by default achievement image. You can add any of you want. Then click on publish. Now click on add engagements. Here we can add our engagement title. So I'm typing similar to our achievement. So I'm typing success. Here we can trigger an event that when you want to send this achievement to your students. Student purchase an access plan, enrolls in a course, purchase a course, complete a course. We have a lots of options. Student fails a quiz or something like that. So I want to show that when someone completed a lesson, then they will get this achievement badge. So I'm selecting a lesson, that means lesson 1. Then we have engagement types, the award and achievement, award a certificate, or send an email. So I'm selecting award and achievement. Here we can select an engagement that we have created now for our award and achievement. Here we can add success. Now we can click publish. So now when my students will complete my lesson 1, they will get an achievement badge. Now I'll show you that how you can create a certificate or award a certificate to your students. Now I'll show you that how you can create a certificate for your students. For that, click on certificates. Click on add certificate template. Here we can add our certificate title. Here we can add our certificate header. So I'm typing congratulations for you. Here we have we can add our March codes. We have some March codes here. You can insert it, but I'm leaving this as it is. Then I'm just clicking on publish. You can modify it as you want. So now we have to create an engagement. For that, click on add engagement. Now I will type add an engagement title similar to my certificate. Here we can trigger an event that when I want to award this certificate to my students. So I want when my students will complete a course. Here we can select the course. I think technology course. Then here we can we can select our engagement type. So I'm awarding a certificate, that's why I'm selecting this. Here we can select our engagement, that's its congratulations. Now click on publish. So now when my students will complete this technology course, they will get this certificate. Now I'll show you that how you can use the Astra's free templates for your website. So first we have to visit appearance, then here we have Astra options. Click on this. Now here we can see that Astra has a lots of starter templates. They have 230 plus starter templates. Now click on this active importer plugin. Now revisit your dashboard. Now if we visit appearance, here we can see that we have the starter templates option. Click on this. See, they have a lots of amazing templates. They have any kind of templates you can import from here now, but we will use the online course marketplace option. I think I will use this one. Click on this. It will take some time. See, this is the website. Here we can upload our logo. Have lots of color palette, but I am just skipping it. Click on continue. Now click on submit and build my website. It will take some time to installing everything you need. You can see that our website is ready. Now click on view. To see, here is our website now. Now here you can see that we don't have our previous menus here. This one is the by default templates menus. We don't want that. So visit your dashboard. Then appearance and then menus. We want our previous pages. So I will make sure that you enable this primary menu, display location actually. Now click on save menu. Now if we revisit our website and refresh it. Now here is our main menu. We can add other menu. So I'm not adding anything else. Now if you click on courses, see, here is our courses, and this one here is our courses, and this one is footer, and you can edit by clicking on customize option. Here is our memberships. Here is our memberships. So if you enjoyed my video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.